All right, today we're gonna install the Streamlight TLR-6 made for the Glock 26. About $100. Comes with this to adjust the laser. It's a laser light combo. Instruction manual, pretty self-explanatory. Just 3 screws. So step 1 is to open these screws. And it looks like you just have to open the battery compartment, and there it goes. We'll be installing it on this factory Glock OG green generation 3. It's been safety checked, it's empty, no magazine. And the Glock 26 does not have a rail, which is why this thing was made to stick to the trigger guard. And it's a pretty tight fit. Looks like one side is in. The other side is in as well. Close the battery cover. Hold it down and place in your 3 screws. You want to time the 3 screws. Another benefit to this is you could change the batteries without taking it apart. I would not over time these, as they seem pretty delicate and you don't want to strip these. Goes on very nicely. That's the adjustment for the laser, but we'll get to that a little later. Just time these one more round. And I'm assuming that's how it looks from the inside with a little gap here, but no gap at the bottom. Seems like a very perfect fit. And again, I'm not going to over tighten. And this thing's on very nice. Let's put in the batteries. And that's it, 100 lumens with the red laser. Now I've been told if your finger doesn't reach, mine does, but if it doesn't, you could use your supporting hand, use the thumb to turn it off and on. Looks great with the two-tone. Empty magazine, and that's how it looks. This is the left and right windage adjustments, top and bottom, and that's it. Streamlight TLR-6 for the Glock 26. A perfect fit.